morning, friends. Welcome to goonlinetrainings.com. And today we are going to understand one more new concept. So that is in MSBA, SSRS, how to create a parameter with the calendar. Okay. So let me quickly uh, jump into my data source. Now I have written a query from the database called account master table from iBank database. So I have account ID and name and clear balance and data of opening an account. So who's the customer when the account has opened? So the information is recorded here. So I wanted to create one parameter with data of opening an account. So let me take a new report. So add new item. So based on our template. So here I wanted to create a calendar report. So I wanted to display a calendar in the parameter because when you create this kind of a query, this automatically creates a parameter, right? So this is my report. So customers based on date. Okay. Now step number one is that create data source. So take data source as iBank data source, which is iBank data source I have taken, which is shared data source. And I wanted to use embedded query. And this is the query I wanted to use. Since there is a at the rate symbol, what is going to happen? You will have a parameter will be created. So copy and quickly paste this here. And because of this, you will be able to get one parameter in this. Now that is fine. As of now, insert a table. So right click on this and insert table here. So we have account ID and name and clear balance, and let me insert one more column and here data of opening an account. Now let me have some font color I'm planning to change here, and the background color may be this, and I wanted to have some central alignment. Okay, now you can increase the font size and do lots of things if whatever you wanted to do it. Okay, and that's it. So we have created a report like this. And when you save and preview, what is going to happen is that you're going to get, okay, you're going to get a report with a parameter. But data of opening, okay, which is a date time parameter, because when you take this DOO is containing, date values. But there is no calendar in this. If you wanted to get a calendar, what is that you have to do? Go to design mode. There is no calendar in this, and you have to give, say, 12th. So that is December month, and 21st and 2011. So are there any records for this? Let us understand. I don't have any data, but how do I display the calendar in this? So go to design mode and go to the report data, double click on DOO. Now only one thing you have to do it. So data type by default text, that you have to change it to date time. That's it. So click on OK. Now save. How do I do that? So double click on this, and the data type you have to, it by default text, that we have to give it to date time. Click on OK. Now save and preview. When you save and preview, automatically you will be able to get a calendar in this. Okay, so for example, I wanted to choose some date, say September 1st. Now show the data. I don't have any data, but let me update a record here. So update, say account master, and set, you know, DOO equals to, let us put some date. So copy, and you need not put this date. I can have some date with account ID equals to 101. I wanted to have say September 1st. Okay. So I wanted to have one record here. Now I have created now September 1st. Let me execute the data. You should be able to get this record like this. Clear? So this is what is called how can you create a calendar report. So only one thing you have to do, go to the report data and double click on this. You have to make the data type of DO2 date time. That's it. And save and preview and deploy the report. Thank you guys.